But yeah, let's make baked buns and slices of mini bread street snack. It's a very simple, good looking and delicious snack recipe, worthy to be added to your baking repertoire in case you do street snack. Come closer, because in this video I will tell you what smart bakers do to still retain their profit in this present day economy. To your bowl of flour, add your sugar. Also add your yeast, baking powder. Because it's for business, I'm gonna add preservative so you can stay for up to a week without spoilage. You can skip it if you're consuming within the next 3 to 4 days. Liquid flavor mixture goes in next, and our margarine. Now we'll be using some egg yellow powder, which is food coloring powder, to boost up the color of this snack. If you can't find egg yellow, use any yellow food color. So we dissolve in water and we pour inside. For accurate recipe, please check the description box. Now we add water and we mix until they form a dough. Do you know I almost forget salt? So I'll add my salt and add more water and continue the mixing until I got a dough. Dough mixing can be gummy and tedious, but you have to be patient, okay? But if you have a mixer, it will be a better option. You just add everything together and mix. The only problem you have is still water measurement, but I advise add your water bit by bit, okay? If you want your product, your bread, whatever you are baking to last up to 2 weeks without spoilage, make sure you reduce the quantity of water you are adding. Moisture content being high is the major cause of easy pastry spoilage, and that is why you keep changing. So please desist from that act. So I'm gonna add it to my local food pounder, which I have in here, and it will blend it for me. Yes, you can see it grinding it. You can also take it to commercial engines whereby they can mix and mill it for you. Then you can cut and either fry or you bake as well. But I invited this one to my house because I wouldn't want to expose my recipe to the public. So after my dough is smoothly grounded, here is the guy removing the dough. The aim of this blending is for smooth texture, better taste and yield. And this is the secret why people make 50 naira and 100 naira pastries in this economy and still make profit. So we'll leave our dough to rise for about 2 hours, and while that is ongoing, let's grease our pan. So after 2 hours, you can see my dough has puffed up. Yes, so I'll box the bubble. Yeah. At this point, the dough becomes so soft and with semi-solid like texture. It is now malleable and can assume size and shape. So for this first pan, we're going to turn this product into a baked buns, like a baked buns like texture. So let's see how it goes. So firstly, grease your working surface area with oil and then mold. Our aim is to mold it into a smooth round shape, as you can see. Yes, please make it as smooth as possible. So you repeat this for the rest of your dough and arrange to your pan and set aside. Again, regrease your surface area, your pan, and transfer your dough into your table as we work on it again. This time we're gonna knead the dough and flatten it. Yes, using our rolling pin. Transfer your flattened dough into your pan and allow to cover all the surface area of your pan. Now we're going to allow the dough to rise again for the second time. Yes, here is our dough looking colorful. And here is our dough after rising again for about an hour. And now we're gonna transfer this into the oven and bake. For the buns, after baking, are allowed to cool down and packaged. Do you like it? I know you do, don't pretend. And for the mini bread, I cut into desired size and packaged. Here's how it's looking. If you want to know how I cut it, I have a video on that. Just ask for it in the comment section and you will have it. Alright, thank you for watching and for learning the better ways to do things nowadays. And I'm sure you like this video. Please and please do not leave without clicking the like button. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.